Hi, third grade. We are on lesson 12.4 on page 392, and we are doing comparing of fractions. Okay, so I want you to look at the problem here on the top. Sue colored 1/3 of the stars on her banner. Ben colored 3/4 of the stars on his banner. Who colored the greater part? To find who colored the greater part, compare the fractions using fraction strips. So I'm going to use these. You have them in your book, so you're not lacking because you can look at the ones in your book. So we have Sue colored 1/3. So let's remove these, and we're just going to use 1/3. And Ben colored 3/4. So we're going to put the quarters out, only 3 of them, not 4. And we're going to place them next to each other so that we can see clearly the relationship between the parts. Even though these are quarters and this one is a third, we are comparing them because we can see the difference, can't we? All right, we line them up together and we see that 3/4 is larger than 1/3. Okay? All right, and that's all you're really doing in this. Now, if you need to do fraction strips, I am going to upload for you a paper that has everything cut if you want to photocopy it and then cut it into parts. I'm not sure you really need it. I think that you can look at these and really see what's going on here in these problems. And then over on this sheet, what they're doing here is they're using the number line, and that will help us. We're all in the same denominator, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, and we're counting up the parts. 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, 5/6, 6/6 is the whole. So whenever they're the same, it's easy to compare them. You just keep going up higher and higher. But when they're different, like thirds and quarters, it's harder to compare, but it helps you if you break the parts up and you look at them together like that. Okay? I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.